No. Where are we? We're in Kingdom.
We're at his house.
Africa. We're in Africa. Me and Deja's home.
Not me.
You guys, I'm my roommate. I share a room with him every night.
Yes. Andrew, how do you feel about that?
Pretty good.
You sleep basically that.
Damn, I look pretty good, huh?
Ew, that is disgusting. Please don't ever do that again in your life.
We're going to the best ride at Disney World, Expedition Everest. You already know what is going on. Let's go. Expedition Everest is the best ride?
Dinosaur! Dinosaur! Let's go get that dinosaur!
The ghetto child. The ghetto. So meet my son. Ah, oh my god, it's happening, it's happening, it's happening, it's happening, it's happening. Bitch!
Space bubbles.
Oh my god. Oh my.
Oh, I'm sorry, you can't see us. 1 second.
I hate you.
At all times. Flash photography? I wouldn't. It alters the homing signal and that's...
Y'all, Deja had a long day. She had to wake up at what time?
I didn't wake up. I was never asleep.
What time did you have to be at work?
2 a.m.
And what time did you get off of work?
9:30.
Why did they do that to you today?
Because they hate me. I'm black.
No, Galaxy's Edge opened today and Deja's working in Galaxy's Edge. She opened Galaxy's Edge. And so she had to work from 3:30 to 9:30. It's now 6 o'clock and we're at Universal because what else do we do?
I just woke up 2 hours
Oscar's
ago.
with us and Hannah and Rose are with us, but they're going to a movie.
I don't know them. The movie's right there. Where are y'all going? Where are y'all going? The movie's right there. Bye, baby.
Bye, see y'all. But yeah, we're at Universal.
That was literally the worst joke I've ever heard since 2020.
What? We're getting on the Hulk first because Hulk.
Because I'm ready to get a migraine.
Right. I want to get on Hagrid. The line doesn't look it too long. This place is dead.
Yeah,
because
get off of Hagrid.
Because of what's it called opening? This place is dead. We are here. Handle me. Who can handle me? Hey. We're going on Harry Potter. Thought I would vlog the queue since it's the best queue ever. Are you okay?
I'm done today. I'm choking. Enough is enough.
She's had enough. She's had enough. Period. We're in the castle. I'm not. We're in the castle. We are inside of Hogwarts. Hogwarts, we are inside of you. Ooh.
I'll wager young Mr.
The girls are fighting!
Today.
Gryffindor doesn't stand a chance.
The girls are fighting! Dumbledore, legend!
See, that wasn't so bad, was it?
Harry, Ron, Hermione, legend!
Your voice is down. Don't you hear us?
Fat lady painting, legend. Do it again.
Huh?
Do it again.
What's that?
Stand up on the third turn. Ooh. Ah. We got a couple rides in. What did we ride? We rode the Hulk, King Kong, and Forbidden Journey. That was it. But we're going to the best restaurant in City Walk now.
Is it really?
Anybody who knows me knows what it is. Yo, we are at Margaritaville. Here is my plain burger, my plain ass food. We stand. We got Deja's chicken, another burger, more chicken, and another burger. What video?
Have y'all ever seen that video where like the guy's like he's trying to take a picture of like the picture that he's like, you know what I'm talking about?
Ah.